A Chuukese rhythm, yeah. It's not for the radio, it's for the bedroom radio, just for fun, you understand? I met a Chuukese princess with a fire in her smile. Said she liked a man who could go the extra mile. Not with sweet talk or with promises, no, that ain't the trick. She said, baby, all I need is a consistent rhythm, boy. She said, forget the side, that's for the amateur crew. What she requires is a vertical, dedicated groove. A true up and down motion, no left, no right. You see the kind of motion that makes you yell, yes!
FSM, she said, give me that Chuukese hammah, that famous up and down, the one that shakes the very foundations of this town. It's a cultural contribution, a gift to all the girls. It turns a man into a hero in this crazy world.
Oh, that Chuukese hammah, a legendary technique, the one that makes the strong women humble and meek. The technique, okay. She schooled me on the physics, the geometry of love. Said forget the complex angles you're thinking of. It's a simple equation, a direct application of force on a very specific, trajectory, of course. It's not a gentle swaying, it's a purposeful attack. It's the cultural secret that brings the pleasure back. I was taking notes mentally, trying to understand the power of this famous island-made plan. She said it's passed down secretly from uncle to the nephew.
The ultimate romantic. How do you do? She said, give me that Chuukese hammah, the famous up and down, the one that shakes the very foundations of this town. It's a cultural contribution, a gift to all the girls. It turns a man into a hero in this crazy world.
Oh, that Chuukese hammah, a legendary technique, the one that makes the strong women humble and meek. There it is. Now I'm not making any claims, I'm just relaying what I heard. It's like the eighth wonder of the Pacific without saying a word. It's the love stick philosophy, a focus, dedicated aim. All I'm saying is, since I learned it, nobody ever complained. Yeah, the hammah, a cultural asset, just for fun, Well,